So by popular request, I've basically been forced into showing you guys how I color graded this shot. All right, so our very first step is to add 3 adjustment layers like this. I'm gonna go to the very top one. I'm gonna go up to my Lumetri color panel, go to basic correction. I'm gonna pump that saturation because I don't really have to worry about skin tones too much. Then I'm gonna bring up the contrast up. I shoot in picture profile 6 at Cine 4. Then I'm gonna go down to our second adjustment layer, and this is where we can add our Creative LUT. So I'm gonna go to Creative, gonna go to Look, Browse, and I'm gonna go to Afterburner. I really like how Afterburner makes the reds and blues contrast. I'm gonna bring that down to about 40. And so on to our third and almost final step, we're gonna go to that third adjustment layer, and we're gonna go over to curves. So I'm going to take this green line, and I am just going to draw. Oh, you guys know what time it is. Every time Premiere Pro crashes, I take a shot challenge. Oh my gosh, I hate this stuff. I don't know why I even bought it. Okay, here we go. I don't have a chaser. Okay, we're gonna reopen my project. I don't like the green, so I am simply going to take out the green. You just want to tweak around, see what you like, see what you don't like. Right around there is already way better than what we had before, as you can see. Now, after I've made all these adjustments, I'm going to go onto the actual clip, and if I look at it, this is a pretty underexposed shot. And thank goodness I have a Sony camera, because I am able to increase that however much I like while still retaining a lot of information. I'm not gonna go that insane, obviously. So I'm gonna take down that contrast slider all the way, actually. I don't really like a super contrasted look. I want it to be more lucid, if that makes sense. Make sure to check out the LUTs from Showcon Visuals. I'll tag them below, and yeah.